I was sent this electric trailer jack from VEVOR. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and check it out. So this is the trailer jack out of the packaging. Comes with a sheet of paper that's a manual, goes over the specs, how to install it. Comes with a manual tool, so that way if for some reason this doesn't want to go up and down, dead battery, whatever, you have a tool there that you can pull the little cap off and manually raise it and lower it. Comes with a cover, which is actually pretty important because on our RV, the one that's on there now that's going to get replaced, it's weathered really bad on the cap and it's even gotten brittle. So even though this one right here might be, really UV resistant or whatever, having a cover over it will just make it that much better. It'll keep your lenses from turning colors. It'll just keep it nice. Then of course you have the trailer jack itself. This is the electric head. The jack, it does have a drop leg. So I really like that. You pull that pin and it allows you to move that leg up and down to give you that much more reach. And it lets you kind of move it up and down quicker, right? You can drop the leg, repin it, and then that way you only have to do the electric, up and down a little bit to get it to where you need to be. So let's go ahead, hook this up to a battery and test this thing out. All right, so I've got it standing up right here and I've got the wires wired to this 12-volt battery over here. And I just wanted to show you just real quick, what the buttons are and what it has. So of course it has this LED light here. You just hit this button and now you have an LED light in the front. And that's very useful. Mine that I have now that this is going to replace has this light and I use it all the time. It's great when you're hooking up or unhooking at night or even doing anything around the front of the trailer. And then of course to lift it up or down, you just use this button. So to go up, you go up. And to go down, you go down. And that's basic functionality to this. Again, it does have the drop leg, which is about this tall. So if you need to drop that down to give you some, extra length, or if you just want to make it quicker, because you saw how slow these are and they're that way for a reason, because that's a lot of weight that they can lift. So they're geared low like that to be able to lift that weight. But yeah, all in all, it's going to work great. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.